Hi friends, Dina Diva. If you are on the hunt for a top-notch toaster, let me introduce you to this Ramjoy 2-slice toaster. Here are 6 reasons I think you're absolutely going to love it. First is its sleek brush stainless steel design that looks great on any countertop. Reason 2, it does have 7 shade settings, so whether you like your toast lightly golden or extra crispy, you can customize it to your taste. This is really sturdy. Third, it does feature 4 main functions. You can toast, bagel, defrost, or reheat. Number 4, which is my favorite and the reason why I got this toaster, is the extra wide slots, which are perfect for bagels or really thick toast. Reason number 5, for tidy storage, you can wind the electric cord around the base. And lastly, it does have a really easy to remove crumb tray. This will make cleanup very easy. Hope this helps, friends.